Hot Wheels.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. What's up, Brian?
Hey, I brought more Hot Wheels ID cars to run on the track.
More? Nice. I'm ready. So let's talk about what we have here. I think we looked at these briefly. We've got 1, 2, 3, 5 of the factory fresh, right?
Factory fresh, yes.
A Speed Demon and a Hot Wheel Great.
Yep.
Correct? Oh yeah, I got it. I remembered.
Cool. Let's show everybody what we have here. 17 Nissan GTR right here.
Let's see. This one, 1971 Lamborghini Miura P400 SV.
An 18 Camaro SS.
The Huayra, correct?
Yes.
Pagani Huayra Roadster.
Bone Shaker.
Bone Shaker.
Hot Rod.
All right, Speed Demon, 1970 Dodge Charger RT.
Oh yeah. Muscle.
All raked up in the back.
Lastly, a Tesla Model S. That's pretty cool.
That one should be fast.
It should be.
All right, so at this point, I think we need to get these things over to the track.
Yeah, we'll go over to the track, open them up, scan them in, and run them.
Let's do it. All right, we're over here at the track, Ryan.
All right, let's grab the first
Victim is Bone Shaker.
Oh yeah.
Let's get him out of here.
It's a good looking car.
And he's in. All right, we're moving to the Speed Demon, the Charger, 1970.
Nice.
All right, factory fresh Tesla Model S. Hey, it doesn't tell us what year. I can't guess.
All scanned in.
All right, the Miura, 71 Lamborghini Miura. Bam. All right, what was it called, Ryan?
The Huayra.
Huayra. You know, we're just trying. This is what when we were learning this, right? You said just cover that up. The Huayra. As long as we're correct.
Yeah. Well, the internet told us it was Huayra.
We multiple Google
So
search
if we're
that.
wrong, the internet's wrong.
So that movie Need for Speed, they used Paganis in that, correct? I think, or Koenigseggs. I get them.
I never saw that
boutique
movie.
supercars.
Yeah.
You didn't see that?
No, I missed out on that
I'm
one.
gonna let you watch that.
I have played the games, but
No, you're gonna watch the movie tomorrow. All right, we all know this. 18 Camaro SS.
yeah, I was thinking it'd be a little more orange, but it's a little more of a copper sheen to it.
All right, 17 Nissan GTR.
Oh, look at that.
All right, we're scanned
Cool.
in. It's time to race.
Let's run each of them one lap and see what kind of speed we get. And then after that, we can do multiple
Yeah, run them
runs.
Run them multiple laps. Yeah, sounds good.
Sounds good.
See how fast. Get the Bone Shaker.
All right, Bone Shaker. No particular order here. We'll start with the Bone Shaker. We got 121 on that one.
Bone Shaker's pretty quick.
Initial, just one pump there. We've got the Tesla Model S. We got 121 on that one too.
Well, what
so
do you know?
right now they're running about the same. We got the Huayra.
Are you very even with your pressure, obviously?
I am, and I'm watching it shows you the RPMs here. So you keep it within the blue range here,
Okay.
and you're good to go. Keep it at around 2,000. We got 132 on the Huayra.
Huayra.
So it's now in first place. These guys are kind of tied.
What do one of those Huayras retail for? I don't even know.
More than I can afford, that's
I
for
guess
sure.
there's no point to ask. If you have to ask. It's pretty fast.
122.
Wow.
So that one's in second. These guys are still tied for third. The GTR. Ooh, that was a really good run.
That, 2 laps.
That was 136. What was the Huayra?
It was less.
Okay.
I believe 130. Oh, bummer.
You're making me think.
It tracks it, right? We'll be able to check, maybe?
Yeah. Do this initial run here.
That was fast.
155.
I know the Lamborghini Miura just won.
Yeah, that
So
was
far.
155.
I know that's more than the Miura.
All right.
Or the Huayra and GTR. Woo!
The Miura was faster than the Huayra.
Prediction, that Charger's not going to be faster than...
I don't know. We got a lot of weight
We'll see,
here.
though.
You know, and it does have this blower on it.
Yeah, blower. More air.
It's got a blower and, you know, it's just, it's got some...
Got some modification. Oh, it didn't even make it
we got a crash on the track. Oh yeah, that was...
Maybe give him another try.
Yeah, we'll definitely want to get a full
heavy.
lap.
Whoa!
Wow.
He's reminiscent of Twin Mill.
Yeah, not quite as dangerous. It's a little more blunt.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting.
He's too big.
It is the weightiest car
And
here.
it's just chunky.
Okay, we gotta. This is our mission here. We gotta get this thing around the track here. It's crazy.
That's funny. The other one's all
I guess it's just fast in a straight line.
It's right. That's right. Drag car. Oh, it doesn't like the curve.
It does not like that curve. I just want to get one lap. That's my mission. One lap.
There it is. Be slow.
Woo! We got one lap at 99 miles an hour and a lot of crashing.
Sorry, Charger.
All right, so let's run these multiple laps, and we'll show you that. And let us know what your favorite is down in the comments.
Yeah, pick one. Or if you own a favorite. I'd say put this Lambo back in action.
All right, let's go here.
Whoa!
Sorry about that. I almost took your eye out.
If someone was driving that,
Whew. That would have been a major crash and burn. All right. Yep. You got it. Tesla did well.
yeah.
you have it, the newest 7 Hot Wheels ID cars.
Yeah, and I'd say we noticed they all ran pretty well, except for we got to work with that charger a little bit.
Yeah, it's Brandon and I were just noticing on this car here, you've got this kind of this bigger piece right here.
It's like,
It makes it sit up really high, where the rest of the cars are very flat on the bottom.
Yeah,
So
there's a very small little bit of detail work on this one.
This one sits up kind of high.
Fun as always, Hot Wheels. You've had a lot of seat time with the track now, I can tell. Running some laps there, getting pretty good with it. But yeah, fun stuff. And please be sure to tell us what you think about the Hot Wheels ID if you have this track set up or any of the Hot Wheels ID set up. And of course, like and subscribe us, please. We appreciate you watching. And what's the most important thing, Ryan?
Yeah, ring that bell, ring that notification bell so you know when these videos go live. And if you're interested in getting the Hot Wheels ID track, we'll also include a link to the product down in the description.
Yeah, well, product and the cars in the description below the video.
So yeah, please let us know which one you like. I think it would be fun to see who comes out on top as far as viewer votes.
Yeah, viewer votes, and we can have a retest. Anyways, we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks as always, and talk to you next time.
Later.
Bye.
See what these new ones do.
Cool. It's like I asked you what you brought, and couldn't I just read the box?